Hello guys, welcome to Tech Design. So as the name suggested, today I'm just going to explain you how Sketcher orientation works in Unigraphics tool. So this is the question asked by one of the subscriber. It's very good question that he has asked. Please guide me in Sketch how to change the orientation of a face if it is coming horizontal and I need it in vertical to draw 2D sketch. So this is asked by Rise Akhtar, and it's I actually missed it in Sketcher tutorials. So this I consider it as a very good question. So let me answer this question in this video. So straight away, what we can do is we'll just go to Sketcher environment. So I'll go to new file and start creating a 3D modeling. Hit OK. So here is a sketch. So instead of explaining everything in this manner, what I will do is I'll just go into Sketcher environment and I'll create a simple sketch. Okay, so I'll just extrude this. Let me create connected curves. Okay, let's click OK. So now I'll just hide this not required. So now his question is, suppose if you go to Sketcher environment and you will select this sketch and he'll enter into a Sketcher environment, and this is coming as XY. Suppose he want to make this as an X direction and this as a Y direction, and he wanted to change in any other orientation as you required. So how we can make that? So easily you can go to sketch and always make sure that this is on plane and on path is the different one. Keep it as on plane and do not keep this as a inferred. What happens is, when as soon as you select the face, the NX will freeze other options, so it will not allow you to select any other options. So always when you want to be in 2D Sketcher environment in the way you required in the orientation, so what you have to do is you have to always select a new plane, and in this plane you can select a face as well. So as soon as you click on face, the datum plane will be created, and if you want you can just give the distance here. You can drag it and keep a offset of from this face. So in this case I don't want to keep that as offset, so I'm just going to explain in the orientation. So for example, now we have this sketch orientation. So you need to keep a reference. Always keep in mind, don't play with these things. Always keep it as horizontal. So horizontal is nothing but x-axis and vertical is nothing but y-axis. So what you want to give as an input for an NX command? So I will give an horizontal line, that is the x-axis. So I'll keep it as a horizontal and go to reference. So I'm going to keep this edge, as you can see here, this is an one edge. So I'm going to select this edge as an x-axis. So now we have an specify the point. So this is my point. So as soon as you select the point, so this will become x-axis and this will become y-axis, and z-axis is nothing but a weaving angle. So as soon as you click OK, as you can see here, this is our Sketcher environment. So the same Sketcher environment, I will create this as x-axis and this as y-axis in the next command. So what I will do is, in the same way, I'm going to go to a Sketcher environment and I will select a new plane. So this is my face, and now I will just give horizontal. So which is my horizontal edge now? This is my horizontal edge. So I'm going to select this as an horizontal edge. So this will become X now, and this will become Y, and Z will be the one which is weaving direction. So origin, so this is my origin point. So as you can see here, X, Y, and weaving is Z. So as soon as you click OK, this will rotate into 90 degree and it will fit the 2D workbench. So this is the way how we can enter. So similar way, I'll just show you one more time. Let me make a sketch on this. So what I'll do is I'll just go into Sketcher environment and select this plane. So what is my horizontal? Horizontal will be this edge. So this will become horizontal. So perpendicular to this line will become a y-axis, and z-axis, as we know that it is a weaving direction. So I'll just give the point here. As you can see, this is x-axis and y-axis will be perpendicular. Since this is perpendicular, so it has taken a perpendicular which is the y-axis here, and z-axis is this. As soon as you click OK, so you will get this as an x-axis. So this is the way how we can enter into an Sketcher where orientation, guys. So hope you understand. I really appreciate his question. I missed it in Sketcher environment. I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and this is really a very important topic. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit a like button, as well as share my videos. Thank you guys.